Okay, hello everybody. So, while we got some daylight, this is part 2 of the empty house tour. So, I'm on the outside of the house and we've been working hard all day to get the front lawn done, but we finally got it done. We needed a cut. I can't wait until we get our lawn to start looking like our neighbor's lawn. Our lawn is nice though. I'm trying to turn the camera around. Why I can't turn the camera? Yeah, look at her lawn. Everybody's lawns around here is the bomb. But we're gonna catch up. Our house hasn't been lived in quite some time, so the grass was growing out of control and we got some dead spots in it. But y'all who know me, you know I'm gonna get it together. But look at her lawn. Sheesh. So this is the road, the main highway. The main road from the house. And this is the front lawn. It's a neighbor of ours. This is a farm of some sort. This is some sort of bean. Last year, the farmer over there who has all of this land, he had planted corn, and the corn was really, really tall. This is our mailbox. I'm gonna get a new mailbox. Whew. I'm gonna get a new mailbox. This is the old owners. So here's the numbers to the mailbox right here. Okay. You see the 13. I don't see the 0. The address is 1320. But okay. Ooh. So yeah. Okay, so the house sits on a half an acre and some change of land. Okay, so we're gonna start walking around. So this is our property up into the bushes right there, and that's where our neighbor's yard starts. And we met that lady, our neighbor right there. Her name is Miss Gail. She's really, really nice. She welcomed us. And this is our neighbor's yard. They left the area open for deers to come through. But they have a really nice yard too, so. Whew. This is the shady area side of the house. So whatever plants I plant in this zone is going to be plants that love shade. This bush, I can't figure this out. So I'm gonna ask my husband to cut all of this down. I'm gonna get rid of all of that because I'm gonna start a vegetable garden. So I'm gonna get rid of all of this, and all of this is coming out because our property line bump goes all the way up to this gate. So all of this is gonna come out. All of that. Got this big gigantic tree on our property, but it's really old. So Costs like $30,000 to get trees extracted around here. So we're not going to bother the big guys unless one of them are like dead, or something starts falling, or branches start falling in the winter or stuff like that, because I don't mess around with stuff like this. So as long as the tree is healthy and strong, because we don't want anything falling over onto the back of the house. And that's our front yard tree, and everything's good. But yeah, so this old boy gonna stay, of course. But see, like that, see how that's broken down? I don't like stuff like that. So I'm gonna see what my husband gonna do, whether, you know, we could get the tree cut, get that cut off from right there. And because we don't want nothing falling over into the other yard, onto their storage house in the backyard, you know, in the back. You understand? So we'll assess this tree as time goes on. So yeah, so all of that's gonna get cut out, taken down. And this is our property line from this gate all the way down to those bushes. Everything that hasn't been taken care of is ours, because we just closed in on the house last Monday. We went to settlement. Oh my goodness, there's a bunch of hostas over here. The former owners had planted these plants. Look, I found more my plants, the hostas, over here. I'm gonna have Daddy, I'm gonna tell him to make sure he don't cut them. These plants, those are hostas. I don't know what these are, but they look like they were planted. So I'm gonna take a picture of them, and let's see, there they go. I don't know what they are though, but they look really pretty, so we're gonna leave them alone. Look at that, they got some kind of fold going on.
I think that's mold.
No, it folds out, it'll open out like this. Oh, Mammy's here. Sister-in-law. My sister-in-law's here. So yeah, everything, all of this is our property. All of this down to there. Down to there. Right to back here. This whole tree-lined area. And I have backyard envy. Look at my neighbor's backyard that butts up against our yard. Look at all their land. They got a basketball court right there in the middle of their yard. And that's their house right there. Look at their backyard. But it's okay, we just moved in. We're gonna catch up with y'all. We're gonna catch up. Look at that grass. Oh my goodness, I can't wait till I can get ours like this. But we starting. Our grass look a little shabby, but we're gonna be there in a minute. So yeah, so all of this stuff got to be cut down. We're gonna put a swimming pool right here, and my sister-in-law is here. I love her dearly. And this is my other neighbor's yard. Whew. Miss Gail, we met her earlier. And she, that's a nice. Hi. I'm doing a video. Oh. You gotta always interrupt the video. Look at Miss Gail's yard. She got an in-ground pool. It's still covered up. Look at her zones with the flowers. Oh, we're gonna get there. Look at that zone. Look how neat the inside of her yard. It's okay. We're gonna get there. Look how ours look. Yeah, but my sister is here. My sister-in-law and her 2 sons. Hi guys.
And this all the way over.
How are you?
And from see Nan
Did you
from
see Andrew's phone in there? Was it had Cowboys on the back of it?
It's in the house?
I know. I was asking. Did you see it?
see Nan
Oh no, I didn't see it.
from here
Go
to the
see if
edge
it's
of
in
the-
there. Go look through.
deck, 2-car garage.
I didn't see any phone.
Yeah.
I know, right?
Easy. Get rid of that, get rid of the stump, have them flattened.
Space, and they wasted it with trees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
That was a monster. We took a lot off.
We took
that
a
tree.
lot off of that tree.
Cause you couldn't even get in that corner.
You can see the sight lines all day.
All day. We're gonna put a 2-car garage here. And the space gonna cut that down.
Yep. Cut all this down, move the black top over, move the 2-car
gonna get your
garage over.
I know, I've been moving them.
You gotta get your rocks.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Bill, don't throw this out.
I'm not.
Oh yeah.
They the side shoots.
My sister-in-law, she lives about 7 minutes away from us.
See, let me check out the Zion.
Right.
Look at her new car.
Man, that's
Look at her. See,
Like yours.
I'm trying to be like her. Look,
Like yours, telescopic up and down. Your
the
handle.
bling bling. She just got a new. Oh my goodness.
that could be a
This is a bonus
Bonus
video
I don't have a headlight, but other
inside
than
my sister-in-law car.
Russian.
that, yours is busted. Believe it or not, I put it down on a 2. You know, it
Look
did.
at her car.
I gotta
Heard
go
her.
over
I
there.
love it.
Yeah,
And she got all the bling encrusted in her Lexus.
Her little poison frogs in there on the
Just
step.
some
She'll check you
bonus
out.
eye candy for y'all.
See the rest of them?
Nice. It look nice.
Go over there and play.
Oh yeah, Bill.
Lift it up, do a wheelie, like I told you. There you
Got it empty there.
Yes,
go. Yeah.
I love her
Very
car.
cool.
Make me want to get rid of the
Man,
flex.
that's so lightweight.
Yeah.
You always got something on the
My
side.
flat.
I don't have that.
That's the cheap one.
But anyway, back to
That's why I got a side shoot. Like,
yeah.
instead
So
of
I'm
just
gonna
collecting it in
dig
the
these
bag,
up and move them over. Cause we're gonna widen.
We have the part that shoots up too,
We're gonna widen the
yeah, you
driveway.
got a side shoot.
like that.
Yeah, instead of it collecting in the
Okay.
in the bag.
Don't go too far over while you're over there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can. Isaac, see that flap on the side?
But that, you know what that's for, right there?
I'll show you.
That's for when you doing each week. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't have that.
Yeah, I don't want them going on nobody else's property, but that's apparently this where this tree is and where that gate starts right there. This is our property as well, from this tree
Exactly.
But you can't do it right
on down to the road.
Right.
too much lawn.
So like this area.
Right. Exactly. I put this down on a 2. On a
You got 2 battery packs?
3, 1. We're gonna get another one.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
Yeah,
Look at that. It looks like
yeah.
look at that.
Yep, so that's the outside of our charming little home. So I thank y'all again for tuning in, and as we furnish and stuff like that, I'll give you guys sneak peeks, and we'll talk to you later. See you in the next one. Bye.